So today is After Effects tutorial. After Effects tutorial. Well, text in the video is really good way to help the storytelling of your vlog, travel video, or even this kind of tutorial or review, and to help the audience to understand the idea of your video. Like this. There's iMac. iMac. But don't you want to spice it up a little bit like this? So today, I'm going to show you guys how to do 3D track text in After Effects. You can do this within like 10 minutes if you learn how to do this in this video. Roll the intro. Okay, so I am so surprised that this video, the Sigma 2470mm video, is getting a lot of views, comment within like 30 hours, within 2 days. Wow, I am so surprised by this number that I got. Well, this is maybe small, but this is incredible to me. Thank you guys. You know, it feels so good to film like this, you know, using sunlight, not shutting window up with so many blankets. Feels so good, feels so positive. Well, at this point, some of you guys may think, just go to tutorial. Enough of talking, enough of intro. But let me talk more. But there is actually nothing to talk anymore. So first thing first, open up After Effects. Okay, this time I'm going to use this footage. There are keyboard and iMac on the desk, you know, slow motion footage. And I'm going to put text right here between keyboard and iMac. So first thing you do is go to Effect and Presets and search 3D Cam right here. 3D camera track and drag this on a footage you can use and wait for Analyze. I don't know, this analyzes your footage, maybe 3D something. I don't know, just wait for it. But this may take a while, depends on your footage, so just wait for it. And don't touch your computer, just, you know, let it work. 54%, just 54. It's almost done, like 70%. Wow, it takes a while. So once you're done with analyzing, there will be so many colorful points, and those points represent a direction of those objects. Like this, and this faces this way, and that faces that way, and like this. And if they're too small, you can turn up the size right here. Yeah, it's much better now, like this. So I want to put text right here, as I said, between keyboard and iMac. So I'm going to find the right place for text, something like this one or this one, and maybe this is good. So once you decide where to put the text, hit the right click and create text and camera. Boom, text will show up. So obviously this is not what I want, so I have to move those XYZ by selecting this arrow tool. And of course I want to change this XYZ three-dimensionally, so select this rotation tool, and now you can control those XYZ three-dimensionally like this. Well, this time I want to put this text with 90 degrees to the desk, so like this. It's pretty much good. Well, now it is very good, but the text is too big, so I'm going to change the size a little bit. Change iMac. Yeah, like this. But it is too big, so I'm going to make it small, like this. Okay, now I'm happy with text itself. So again, select this arrow tool to move XYZ. You know, change the position, like this, moving Z, like this, maybe X. You know, move it left a little bit. And again, select the rotation tool to change XYZ three-dimensionally. Okay, this is pretty much good. Just play back. It feels like it actually exists on the desk. Okay, so it's pretty much done. So you can stop right here. But if you want to go a little bit more crazy, select this 3D track camera and hit the A on the keyboard twice, and there will be more. So by changing those things, you can make your text more professional. To do that, first turn on this depth of field, and now you can change like focus distance and aperture. So for example, by changing this aperture, you can manipulate actual aperture of this text. Okay, so I'm going to turn up this aperture a little bit. So now half of M and A are unfocused. Now I think I'm going to change focus distance a little bit like this. it looks good. So by changing those focus distance and aperture, you can make text more cool and alive. So if you feel your text is too flat, you may want to change those things. It is very easy to do, so try it. Well, this 3D track text is really good for vlog and travel video. For example, when you travel somewhere like Tokyo, it's really good way to show the title and show the name of place where you travel. It is very easy to do, so try to use this 3D track text in a video. This will give your video a little bit spice. Okay, so this is it. If you have any questions about this editing trick, don't hesitate to leave the comment below. Now, I'm going to end this video right here or talk a little bit more. Maybe next time or next time I'm gonna do vlog. I feel like I want to do vlog. So I'll see you next time.